Hey guys, I've got a Kenmore washer and dryer, and I'm getting the washer going. Really good size, heavy load of jeans and towels. It's filling up right now. Just got it just on the normal setting. Warm water, super load, super capacity plus on this guy here. It's in excellent shape. Does a really good job, and I'm going to run this load through here so that you can see and hear for yourself that it does run and operate like it's supposed to. So we'll give it a minute to finish filling up, then I'll show you to agitate, and then I'll show you on the spin cycle as well, and then we'll move over to the dryer. Okay, and it is on to the agitation cycle. Lid switch works. You can hear it's got a nice strong agitation, which is essentially what gets your clothes clean. Alright, well that washer's finishing up and we're waiting on it to kick over to the spin cycle. I'm going to show you the dryer. Also a Kenmore. It's in excellent, like new condition. Lint trap's on the top. Inside's nice and clean. Everything on it works. I'll show you. It's really quiet. I'm going to show you that it heats also like it's supposed to. So this little temperature gun tells you the temperature or whatever that little red light shines on. So we'll give that just a sec to heat up. Open this up and show you right here. The heat coming out of there. Plenty of heat. It's nice and hot. Now when it comes out of this tube, it can get up to 300 degrees, but the inside temperature of your dryer is going to range between 100 and 195. Just depends on what you have that knob right there set to. So once that washer is finished up, we'll move the clothes over and you'll get to hear it with a full load of clothes. You just want to make sure it's a balanced level, no weird noises, squeaking or anything like that. And of course, this dryer is in like new condition. It's only a couple years old, so you don't have to worry about any of that stuff. And I've thoroughly cleaned inside and out. So we'll hang out for that washer for just a minute. All right, and we're back for that final spin cycle. It's up to about full speed. Sounds great. Nice and level, stable. No weird noises or anything like that. I'll show you that it is spinning nice and fast. And you're not really supposed to do that, but that's what that lid switch is there for, and I like to show that it works, so if that gets opened up, it'll shut it down. But there you have it. So I'll let that finish up, move these over, and show you that dryer. Okay, so I've got those clothes loaded in here. Hit start. As you can see, it sounds great. And the reason I show that is sometimes when they're empty and they're running, there's no load on the insides, the inside components. And it can make a difference. Then you get it home, plug it in, load all your wet heavy clothes into it, then you might hear a squeak or a squeal or something like that. So it's just a part of the test. The washer goes through a 28-point inspection and the dryer goes through a 22-point inspection, and those are all things that get checked for. Like I said though, this dryer is in like new condition still. It's just a couple years old, so you really have to worry about that, but I check it anyway. So now you know when you get these home and you plug them in, they're going to work the way they're supposed to. And that's kind of the purpose of these videos. So I do appreciate you taking your time to watch the video. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks. Have a great day.